eminyeto mwihanga n'ensi yona kutwariza hamwe bashabirwa kwebembere huriro yo kuretaho obusinge omu bicweka byabo. Ebi bigambirwa mu kukingaho oruteerane rw'okurwanirira obusinge orutebeekanisibwa ab'ekitongole kya Rotary International Uganda bakwataniise na Rotaract Club ya Uganda.
Our theme or our target is to break barriers and we build bridges through nurturing socially conscious young people.
When you love, you will cause peace, because to love is to wish another person well. I challenge you and urge you, wish one another well.
Umureberezi wa West Ankole naikiriza ngu tiine ekintu kyona ekirikukorwa kikarugamu haba hatabiireho obusinge.
I have read, I have traveled enough to conclude that where there is no peace, there can't be development, there can't be growth, there can't be stability. We are not wired to operate in a chaotic environment.
So ladies and gentlemen, interactors, Rotaractors, Rotarians, we are here to get more knowledge about peace. And once we are at peace with everyone, then we shall achieve more.
Tracy aine embabazi omwegi hari Parental Care Primary School Bushenyi kandi ambassador wa Peace Initiative nagira ngu abantu okutuura omu businge nikyombeka ihanga.
okuma obusinge omunsi yitu omwana ombyaro abantu basibanira amataka okanyoko kunayeganiza
Ogugubira omurundi gwa kabiri oruteerane oru rurikutebeekanisibwa aba Rotary Club International omuri Uganda. Gashakwa Abraham Muganzi.